You are now tuned in with Trophy. Go Trophy. We can laugh, crack jokes, be open. Go Trophy. Only with Trophy.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, I see you. My baby, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today I am doing an install with the Cynosure hair. I'm showing you guys everything that they sent over in a package. By the way, the lashes that they sent over were really cute and I love that it was a 2-pack. So I'm showing you guys what the wig looks like. This is a pre-cut wig. It's a 7x5 lace wig in the number 33 reddish brown. This is a water wave. It's 24 inches and has a 220% density. It has an elastic band, and I love that it's just like a regular cap without no clips or anything. Sometimes clips bother me, so I'm putting on the wig using the elastic band, just trying it on like I usually do. Then I'm gonna apply my lace tinting spray in the darkest brown. I'm gonna put it back on and tighten it up so it can be nice and secure. This wig isn't going anywhere. If you want your wig to be nice and secure for that glueless look, make sure you tighten up your elastic band. So I'm just parting the hair in the middle, and then I'm using my wax stick so that I can use my hot comb in the middle so I can lay the wig nice and flat up top. Now I'm just applying a little bit of my foundation so they can match my skin even more. Y'all know how I do. I'm just going to do very light layers in the front, so I'm just sectioning off that front little section that frames my face, and I am cutting light layers. Now we're going to define the curls. As you can see, I manipulated the hair so it got puffy in the front. So I'm just applying water to the hair and finger detangling the hair all the way through. I'm using this Cream of Nature argan oil. This is like a leave-in conditioner spray, and I'm spraying a little bit of this and running my fingers through the hair once more. Okay, now I'm just going to clip the hair away and I'm going to let it air dry. Okay y'all, so this is what the hair looks like once it is completely dry. This color is very beautiful. It is a very bright red color. It is like, as you can see, it has like different tones. It's a reddish orangish color and it's really pretty. The curl pattern of it is amazing, and one great thing that I noticed when I washed the hair is that this hair does not bleed. Sometimes when you get red wigs, your whole, like if you're wearing a white shirt, the hair will bleed. Like right now what I'm wearing is like a tan like cream colored jumpsuit and I had no bleeding. My stuff was still clean. Anyway, I was lifting up the wig to show you guys that it is completely glueless. This is a wear and go wig, and I was tugging it to show you that it will not go anywhere. It is nice and secure. So we're gonna do a quick little 3-second install, show you guys how easy it is to apply. If you like this wig or any other wig from Cynosure Hair, I have all the links and everything down in the description. Use the code YTB20 to get an extra 20% off of your order. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Don't slip on the trip.